subscribe at Kitty Boo Music.
Hey kids, let's use our magic words. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. When I want a toy to play or ask for help in a friendly way, I look up with a happy face and say one word that's full of grace.
Please, please, pretty please. Please is a word that's nice to say. Please, please, pretty please. It makes people smile every day.
When someone helps me big or small, at home, at school, or at the mall, I smile wide and say right through, there's another magic word I use.
Thank you, yes I do. Thank you for the things you do. Thank you, loud and clear. Kind words make everyone cheer.
Say please and thank you every day. Kind words help us get along and play.
Please and thank you.
Hooray!
Thank you for watching Kitty Boom Music.